Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a 2011 15-inch MacBook Pro dedicated GPU failure. First, we need to hold Command S when you turn on your computer to get to this command line. Now you need to enter this command. Now, all you need to do is download and install this app. If you do not have system integrity protection disabled, you will need to disable it. I will leave a link to a video in the description that will show you how. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.